In the crowded app stores of 2025, your app icon isn't just a logo, it's a magnet. It's the very first thing users see, and it plays a massive role in whether they tap or scroll past. In this lesson, we're breaking down the psychology of icon design and how to craft an icon that drives taps, builds trust, and fuels installs. Let's start with the basics. Your icon must be instantly recognizable, emotionally resonant, and contextually relevant. Why? Because your icon competes in a sea of squares. Users are scanning dozens of options at lightning speed. You only have milliseconds to make an impression. Principle 1. Simplicity wins. Cluttered icons get ignored. Period. The best performing app icons are simple, clean, and bold. Think of icons like WhatsApp, Instagram, Duolingo. Each has a distinct shape, color, and symbol that's recognizable even at small sizes. Avoid tiny details or text in your icon. On a small mobile screen, they blur out. Instead, aim for a single focal point, a shape, letter, or symbol that stands out. Principle 2. Color psychology matters. Colors trigger emotion, and emotion drives action. Use colors that match your app's purpose and energy. Blue for trust, calm, professionalism, finance, health, productivity. Red for urgency, excitement, power, gaming, entertainment. Green for growth, wellness, and calm, meditation, environment, lifestyle. Yellow-orange for positivity, playfulness, creativity, education, kids, tools. But don't just choose your favorite color. Contrast with your category. If every app in your niche is blue, a bold green or orange could help you stand out. Principle 3. Shape and symbolism. Shapes communicate meaning too. Circles and ovals suggest friendliness and unity. Squares and rectangles suggest structure and strength. Triangles or diagonals create energy and motion. Many top apps also use subtle symbols like a lightning bolt, checkmark, or star that suggest value, speed, or achievement. Test different icon metaphors to see what clicks with your audience. Principle 4. Brand consistency. Your icon should reflect your app's personality and experience. If your app is playful, let that come through. If it's for serious productivity, keep it clean and professional. Don't create disconnect between your icon and your in-app design. Trust begins at the icon. Principle 5. Test everything. Like every other element in ASO, your icon should be tested. On Google Play, run A/B tests comparing color variations, symbols, or layout. On iOS, test via custom product pages and Apple search ads. A small change, a new background color or simplified shape, can lead to a huge lift in tap-through rate. Final thought. Your app icon is your silent pitch. It says everything before a single word is read. A well-designed icon can increase visibility, build trust, and boost conversions, all before the user even sees your screenshots or reads your description. In the next lesson, we'll dive into screenshot strategy, how to guide the user journey from glance to install. But for now, go look at your icon. Is it clear, emotional, unique? If not, it's time to redesign with intention and design for taps.